welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum. I have a global multiple six-figure that's scaling to seven figures coaching business that I launched from scratch in 2021. And what I want to do is I want to share with you not only how I did that and all the learnings that I have acquired to date, but also my journey of entrepreneurship since 2015, working in the online space, how I got involved in the online space after being 20 years in the corporate world, having successful positions in sales and management, and now being able to create not only the life of my dreams and being able to travel around the world, speak on stages, inspire women, create courses, programs, help women to build their businesses, but to also share with you in real time my journey of how I'm evolving into that seven-figure version to go out and inspire and impact thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of women. I look forward to sharing with you all the knowledge that I acquire as I go along, but also all the failings, all the heartache, all the lessons that have gotten me to date, because it hasn't been one smooth ride to where I am today. It's actually taken a fair bit of work, which is why I want to share with you all my lessons. Now, my specialty, apart from being a no BS coach and working on mindset, is consistency. I love the whole word of consistency and living a consistent life, but also being of integrity and sticking to my word and keeping my word. And I believe that this has been part of my formula to success. So I look forward to sharing with you all my nuggets. And of course, if you want to be part of my word, you can opt into my free group, facebook.com/groups/The Legacy Academy. You can also hop onto my website, elsamorgan.com. You can always give me a 5-star review for any of my podcast episodes, but you can also drop me an email. Tell me what's going on in your world. Tell me what your current problem, issue, roadblock, anything. And I answer all of my emails personally, queenie@elsamorgan.com. I look forward to sharing with you my journey and, of course, serving you.
The Consistency Queen, brought to you by the Queenie Effect and the Tech Company. For coaching options, please visit elsamorgan.com.